This talking paradise on Earth before we can go to the North Pole hole and drink from the living water and go for the everlasting light dimension. This talky. You know, it was this TED talk. You know the TED. So it pops up, and I'm just like, yeah, whatever. I was looking for like Dark Angel, one guy, soul voice, whatever. The next video was this TED talk, this storytelling, yeah, and it's a story about a man telling a story, and this guy starts out, hey, I'm gonna tell you the craziest thing, whatever, and he's talking about, you know, simulation theory, and actually, you know, in this TED talk was specifically about singularity point. Meaning what they talk about when artificial intelligence becomes so intelligent that it's more capable to run the world than humans, meaning they have more power than humans, and that point and beyond, that's the singularity point they call it. We're talking about computers and artificial intelligence, meaning you know, robots and Google and all these servers and what we call telephones and all this electrical world dimension we call, you know, artificial intelligence. Talking about AI. That was the TED talk, and he was like, okay, so now to avoid the future, what the best option we could think of is to take the artificial intelligence within a closed system and then make it think it is a human. Make it live between what they think is a humans, and then see how it behaves, and through succeeding, meaning showing empathy, meaning showing careness for the humans, then they will take the robot out. If they will contact this intelligent, it's not a robot. It's like a system running, an intelligence, an artificial intelligence running within a system. Thinking it's a human and living between what it thinks is humans, it's a system. And through, if it sees the systems, then we could take it and plug it out, say, hey, okay, if you're gonna come and live with us, like in our dimension, what we call human, not just being within running its own systems within the computer. If you want to live between us, like you know, in the government and stuff like this, your system will shut down. And through that behavior now, we'll see what will the artificial intelligence do. Will it say, yeah, fuck, and go, and you know, and the system shut down? Or it will stay, you know, to care some. And that's the funny thing, because, funny, you know, black humor, we are within a black hole. Aya. Aya. The only way to escape Aya is through paradise on Earth. Meaning body and surroundings until the North Pole hole. So we should have paradise dance hand in hand. Everyone, a paradise. And with this, when this state is achieved, we are allowed to go to the North Pole hole and drink from the living water. I'm talking about human dimension. It goes together with how we will make robots today. We close them up in a simulation, see how they behave. If they succeed, I'm talking about robots. In this case, humans or spirits living as human. You say, I want to go to the North Pole hole. You go, you die. You did not complete the game. You did not show empathy for the other players. Even though it's a simulation, you are not allowed through. In any way, it's like sperm coming out without, the action of a woman and the egg being fertile. It's just like, hey, sperm, now go out. Dead. So if humans now want to go, to the North Pole hole, and don't have, Hitler style or Prince Frederik in the Sirius Patrol. The point is, if you want to go, this is the story of Medusa. The North Pole hole is all the heads of the snakes, the energy comes out there. You go there, you turn to stone if you are not in the frequency for it, meaning your blood has to vibrate, paradise on earth, on body, in body, and surroundings, paradise, and whole earth, paradise, and then everyone, in the vibration, blood vibration, and then as one, you go for the hole, and for the whole North Pole hole, and you're ready for the... So in this case, I am like holding the head of Medusa. You see the mirror and the head. You can Google North Pole hole, Aurora Borealis. You can see all this through the mirror. We are holding the head of Medusa. And now we are turning everything to stone what we want. We use it as our power and take over the world. This knowledge about where the fuck we at, time and space, and how to get out. Paradise on earth for everyone, and then to the North Pole hole. It's a plan, E.T. simulation.